poach pears, first you need to make a poaching liquor. Add together wine, sugar, cinnamon and vanilla in a saucepan. The Creuset Signature cast iron saucepan is perfect for this. Heat gently using gas, electric or induction until the sugar dissolves. With its hard-wearing enamel coating, this pan does not stain even when cooking with red wine. Add peeled and prepared pears to the poaching liquor, ensuring they are fully submerged. Simmer gently for about 30 minutes or until the pears are tender. You can use a knife to test this. Alternatively, put the lid on and place the saucepan in the oven until the pears are cooked through. Note, ripe pears will take less time. Remove the pears from the pan using a slotted spoon. Simmer the remaining syrup for a further 10 minutes to reduce. Serve the pears and pour the syrup over them and add lightly whipped cream or ice cream.